In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. Then hit those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Now tap on Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device would be clean, but it was already clean. But if you have any junk files, this feature will get rid of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!